What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to clear all from cell in Excel. So in this case, you might be wondering how do you actually clear your contents here or any of the following options you want to basically clear here. Either by for I want to clear your formatting or all your contents here. Clearing them is fairly easy. So first things first is you want to open up your Excel. And from here, you want to select the table or the cells that you maybe want to clear those contents or formatting. So in here, once you've highlighted it, you want to go to your home. And from here, at the top right, you should see the editing tab here or the section for editing. So also you see the option or you should see the option says clear. So go ahead and click on that drop down option that you see there. Now all you need to do is you need to click one of the following options. Now, if you want to clear everything here, so in this case, all the details or the contents, the values, as well as the formatting, you can go ahead and click on the clear all option. But if you choose one of the other following, like for example, if you click on clear format, this will only remove the format and will keep the value of your table. Now, if you choose the option for clear contents, this will clear the contents but actually keep the formatting that you have there. So in this case, you could go ahead and select whatever you want here, but that's how you clear anything from Excel. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.